This shit is gnarly.
Oh, somebody wants me to bring a Jeep so buy a new one.
I think so. We're trying to go down here in this. Ah! Hey guys, I'm Rhiannon. Welcome back to my channel. I have Adrian over here.
Hi.
Mike in the back. Going off-roading.
Yeah.
Oh! Holcomb Creek.
Holcomb Trail.
Holcomb Trail. Tell me about the trail.
Jeep Badge of Honor.
What's the deal with the trail, Mike?
He doesn't know.
It's a fucking strenuous one. It's a real fucking gut buster. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
You want to see more about this trail? Just keep watching.
I'm driving everybody.
Yeah, we're really.
What are you gonna learn to do today?
We are disconnecting the sway bar. So,
First thing you want to do.
Then you grease yourself.
You want to pull that cotter pin out.
like with this?
Yeah, just pinch onto it right here and pull up.
Up.
Yeah. That's it.
Big girl.
There we go. Okay, just set that right there. And then look, all you got to do is just push. That's it. So now it's that side's disconnected, but it will not move because the other side's locked in. So now
and then you pull it up there.
Now we come over here, same thing. Pull the cotter pin up. And this is just like yours. It's the same setup.
Hot girl.
Okay, set it right over there. Push it forward. See how now it moves.
Yeah.
So now you go on the other side. Slide it on. Put the cotter pin in. JKU 2014 Jeep Wrangler. 160,000 miles. I've had it for about 6 years now.
What's the name?
Olga.
Olga.
She's beautiful, isn't she?
She is.
Yeah. So she's all mine. And
tell us about you. Tell me about you.
Not too much to tell. I mean, I'm an engineer. I'm a veteran, and I live in California now.
Fantastic.
That's it. Let's go off-road.
Let's do it. Are you ready? I am. There you go. Just push it. Yeah! Come on, you can do it.
Go! Driver! Come on! You're not gonna tip over, come on!
You got it, you got it.
There you go. Stop. So you're gonna swing around. Passenger, you're gonna ride this on the right. Just watch what I do with my hands, okay? You drive the passenger.
Gonna do it.
Scares.
Buckle up.
I'm buckled. Jesus, I've been buckled since.
Let's do this.
Driver, yes, slow. Driver, slow. Yes.
Showing my Jeep getting Sonata.
Got it. Okay, backside, same thing, backside.
How are we supposed to, is this even a trail? Are we on the trail already? Is it hard?
Keep coming forward. Forward. Passenger. Passenger. Slow. Passenger. Slow. Passenger. There you go. Slow. You're gonna slide, it's okay. Slow, straighten up just a little bit. There you go, right there. That's the... Come on.
I want a vomit and I need a Xanax.
Passenger. Forward. Yes. Yes. Driver. 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 And forward. Yes. Yes. Slow. Come down.
I want a vomit and I need a Xanax.
One right there. Oh. Okay, look. Good. Slow. Come a little more this way so that back tire doesn't drop. There you go. Keep coming. Now start to turn it. There's gonna be a knob. Come on. Here it comes. No.
That. You just handled that like a boss.
I want a vomit and I need a Xanax.
Passenger. Roll. Nice and slow. And you're gonna drop. Don't be scared. You're gonna drop right there. Come on. Passenger. Nice. Come. Here's out. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, back tire. Take it. You're gonna climb on that back tire. There you go. To the right. Passenger. Stop right there.
Well, everybody, I'm in trouble. I left the back seat not all the way clicked in, and the cooler fell forward on the level 10 thing that ran and steering that we probably shouldn't be doing. And some of the white collar water came out. So now everybody's mad at me. Sign number 764 that this is ridiculous. Having fun.
This is bananas. One obstacle to the next. This trail is fucking gnarly. Gnarly. That's it, that's it. Watch your back tire. Big drop, back tire. Drop it. Yeah. Woohoo. Oh, that was like touchy. We can reposition the rocks.
What are we missing if we're spinning? Which wheels are spinning?
They both are.
Huh?
So we're officially using the winch to the tree because we are sterk.
Stirkers.
We're sterk.
Go you get in the driver's spot.
Me?
Yeah. I'll control the winch. Oh, for a second I thought there was another Jeep coming. I was like, what?
That's a treat. All right.
Turn it on. Nice and slow. Give it gas.
There it is.
Yep, did you get it?
There it is. There it is. Woo! Yes. Oh hey. Hi. We found
didn't
some
do what we wanted to
water.
do, but we did something better.
We're going to the
We did
water.
something way more extreme. Sometimes shit happens.
Perfect.
It's waiting on you, girl.
Now this is what I'm talking about. Best swimming hole ever. Just a little swim and we're back on the trail. That was perfect. Couldn't have asked for a better little swim hole. Swim hole. We gotta air up. We made it back to safety. Shocked. turning all the way.
So start button.
That's the hardest job I've ever seen.
Gnarly. But totally worth it. There's a swimming hole, and if you have a good spotter,
Bring
it's
a
great place to
winch
go.
and a winch and you'll have a great time.
If you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe. And I think this is my favorite California adventure thus far.
Oh, sorry, no. Wrong internet.
Hey, hey,
Ready? Now ready.
ready?
Start.
It was an epic day today. Had a blast out on the trail.
That
Definitely.
wasn't a trail, that was just
It wasn't
rocks
really a trail.
and dirt.
Yeah. Jeep Learning 101.
Beautiful swimming hole.
10-01.
Couldn't have gone better. Until next time, stay curious. Cheers. So what is it? How do you feel?
Best day ever.
Good day? Was it a good day, Mike?
Today was a great day, ladies. Great day. Towards you, this way.
It won't turn.
Put your 4 wheel low. Put neutral, 4 low.
You don't have to put these in neutral.
Okay, good. You're in 4 low now?
I'm on 4 high. Oh wait, now you gotta go neutral. Now I'm on 4 low. Sometimes when we're airing down the tires, you just gotta walk away so you don't do work. Ladies, applaud that.
I don't want to sleep with you. You're going to be quiet the whole time.
You better be a good guy.